Hey everyone, how are you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. This is going to be my November Sips by unboxing. If you have not watched any of my previous videos, you would know that I am now collaborating with them. What does that mean? It means I'm not sponsored, but it means they send me one of their boxes to unbox to show on my channel. I have gotten more enjoyment out of this little tea box than any other subscription that I could have received. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription box, very highly rated, gets great reviews, and now with us getting closer to the holidays, which is crazy, I can't believe it's almost the end of this year, this would be a great gift for a tea lover in your life or anyone that's kind of starting to get involved drinking teas. I was never really a big tea lover until I got this box. It's just kind of fun to get a variety of teas from companies I've never heard of. A little bit of a surprise every month in my mail. Sips by is a monthly tea subscription. It is $15 per month, and it's not kind of some random choosing of teas. I originally filled out a quiz which let Sips by know really kind of my tea psyche, what I really love about teas, how I like to brew teas, what kind of flavors I like, kind of even what kind of flavors I might like. They work with hundreds of tea companies all over the world. You will get a sampling of teas that are specifically chosen for you and personalized for you based on a quiz that you take. I'm going to show you kind of how I signed up for mine so you can get a feel for it. I'm going to show you my November unboxing, let you see what I got in my box, and as usual, we're going to crack open one of the teas and test them out. I'm going to put a promo code down here and also down in the description box. I think it still works. I believe it's $5 off your first new box. I will put that down there, so if you are interested, you can at least try it and see if it works. I get no commission for that. Never was a tea lover before. Sips by has really kind of turned me into a tea lover of how much you enjoyed your box. Let me take you to the quiz so you can kind of get a feel for the questions they ask, and then I'll show you how the subscription works. I will take you to my November unboxing of my teas, and then we will crack open one of the teas to do a tea taste test. Just a quick rundown of how I signed up for Sips by. This is the opening page. You can actually take the quiz even before you sign up for the subscription box. So I just entered my information, and then you see all the different ways you can get your teas. You can pay $15 every month, 3 months for $45 every 3 months, $84 every 6 months, and then $165 every 12 months. If you take the quiz, you can see some of the questions that they ask, your preferences on. You can create a profile, whether you like caffeine-free or caffeinated tea. Do you like your teas loose or bagged? You could even have a mixture of loose and bagged tea and a mixture of caffeine and caffeine-free teas. Do you like your tea flavored or unflavored? And there's a slew of questions on what types of teas you like to drink, what type of flavor profiles you like. They ask you what types of tea you might be interested in trying, how often you like to drink tea, do you have any dietary preferences, and do you have any allergies. The teas arrive to you in this nice little compact cardboard box that says Sips by on it. I believe they give you a tracking number so you can track your shipment to see when it's due to arrive, and then you open your box and they show you the month's card inside. This is my November tea box. They sent a really sweet thank you card for the community of tea lovers that are part of this community that Sips by is building. And Sips by actually helped me with my Christmas shopping because they gave me this $15 off gift card. This is good towards a first-time Sips by subscription. So it gives me 1 free month of tea. So I think I'm actually going to use this for a gift for my brother. I was wondering what to give him this year at the holidays, and this tea box is just such a perfect idea. I have loved receiving this box so much that I decided to give my brother a year's subscription of Sips by.
Also included with the box is an informational card listing all the teas that you will receive in the box. So in my November box, I received some classic chai tea. That's going to be my high caffeine tea. I received some rosehip, hibiscus, and cherry tea. That sounds delicious. That's my caffeine-free tea. I've received some dandelion caramel nut. That sounds amazing. That is also caffeine-free. And I received some chocolate flake tea. That is high caffeine. I asked for a mixture of high caffeine and also caffeine-free, and I do like some sweet teas, and that's how Sips by personalized this box for me. A lot of times they'll also include a card from one of the companies telling you a little bit about the company that is supplying some of the teas for your box. And they also included this really pretty postcard in the box that I can send out to a friend or whoever I want to. So I received 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of this chocolate flake tea. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of the dandelion caramel nut tea. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of this classic chai tea, and 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of this rosemary, hibiscus, and cherry tea. So I think I'm going to pick for today the dandelion and caramel nut. That sounds delicious. So I am going to boil up some water and we are going to brew this. So that is it for my November Sips by unboxing. I will leave all the information for this subscription box down in my description box, also with the promo code. And I absolutely love this subscription box. This was a fabulous tea, tasted delicious. Hope you enjoyed seeing this video. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.